right, 34 degrees at the yard today, but man, they got some nice classics today. Look at this. This is a 1957 Plymouth Savoy. Wow, that looks cool. Check out the fins. That's a neat car. That's a neat car. Look at those, as De Niro would say, at least 3 bodies in that trunk. But look at those fins. Wow, this is a great looking car. Great looking car. I wish I had the space. Yeah, that is a good looking car, but fortunately that glass, man, it'd be hard to find that glass, I think. But body is nice and straight. 2,500 bucks. What else I got here? They got a Buick. Nice little Buick. It's got a little bit of a dent in it, but check out. No B-pillar. I remember these days. Oh, cool. Nice Buick. I think it's a Riviera? No. Oh, here it is. 1970 Buick Electra. Got that nice vinyl top. Wow, they got some cool cars out in the yard today at the pick and pull. 4-door coupe, as they used to call these. There's no B-pillar. 2,500 bucks. Look at that boat. A couple land yachts out here for sale. All right, it's a crisp, cool morning out at the yard. It's sunny, not a cloud in the sky, but it is cold. Only 34 degrees last we checked. So let me get in and get what I need and get out, or get back in the car because it's cold. Let's see if this mirror's any good on this. Someone got to it. It's exactly what I needed. Someone pulled that mirror. Oh well, let's see what else is in the yard. Check it out. A little MGB in yellow. What year is it? Doesn't say. But looks like there's some stuff worth getting. Someone pulled the fender off. Oh, or maybe not. Maybe it looked like it got into a little fender bender. But the engine looks like, wow, they looks like it got flooded here. This side looks okay. Top looks like it's almost new. The top on this looks almost new. Someone needs this top. Yeah, that looks almost new. So, pretty cool. Little MGB. My guess is with the big bumper, probably 73, 74. But 79. There it is. 1979 MGB. And looks like it's probably been resprayed. Got a little overspray, but looked like it was a pretty good car before somebody brought it into the yard, junked it out. Man, another MGB. What is this place? Has got a lot of MGB parts, and this is a pre-bumper or pre-big bumper version, so it's got the nice chrome bumpers on it. This one's a little rougher shape on the inside, but not bad. 1972 MGB with the chrome pitted, chrome bumpers. That's cool that you can still find parts at the pick and pull for cars this old. Makes it easier for us to keep these cars on the road if we had them. I'll tell you what I haven't seen is a Triumph here, like a TR6 or a GT6, but see a lot of MGBs in the yard. Wow, look at this. It's a 2005 Mercedes SL500. You don't normally see these hit the yard that often. It's got that retractable hardtop roof. And look at it in red. Man, somebody tore through it trying to get some parts off this thing. But this was easily $100,000 car when it was new. Look at that massive V8 in there. Looks like I think somebody dropped it already off the subframe, because I don't think it's supposed to normally be sitting that low. Let me see down here. Oh yeah, somebody dropped the subframe. Trying to grab something from this, but yeah, Mercedes SL500 in the yard. Oh, check out this Mercedes SLC. Pretty well gone through. Someone's got the engine and the transmission. But this was a 83 SLC, and it has a factory hardtop. And I can't believe nobody wanted this. I'm on the motorcycle today, so I can't take it, but these are not easy to find. This one's a little faded, but it could be cleaned up. There's no major dents that I can see. Headliner looks okay. Obviously, I'd probably replace it, but the glass looks good. Man, I hope they don't trash this, because somebody could really use this. So if anybody's got a 80s era SL that's looking for a hardtop, factory hardtop, it's right here in Antelope. Somebody come get that. Oh, look at that. It's a C280 Sport. So it's got this carbon fiber trim on it. And looks like the seats were trashed and the headliner's gone, but somebody took that center console with that carbon fiber like dash on there. It's nice, white gauges. Yeah, it's got some nice trim pieces on it. Oh, it's a 230? Oh, it's a 230 Sport. Yeah, nice stuff on here. Let's see what else I can pick off of it.
If you're enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and to the newsletter using the links below. We'll share more tool buying tips, classic car and classic motorcycle project finds, some motorsport news, and maybe a wrenching tip or two.